Hi, this is Owen from Owen Interactive and another training video for Hanger13 Boutique, a Opencart website featuring e-commerce and a good range of products. Now, one of the first things to note is you need a login. So, provided the login link, you can go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, one of the first things to do is create categories. So some of the categories that are already created here apply to different lines within the shop. You can go ahead and create a new category for summer by pressing the Add New button up here. So you can type in summer range. I generally copy and paste this in here. So it's good to have a category set up that you can populate with products. In the data tab, there's a few things that if you wanted this to be a subcategory of Freddy pants, for example, you could choose that. Going on down, you need to select that you want this in the top menu and if it's enabled or disabled as a primary category. So I'm not going to save that, I'm going to just cancel it. I've already set one up for the purposes of this demo called Spring 2017. The next step after setting up your categories is to go into the products and add in a new product. Now, previous to this video, I've received a collection of photographs and added them already to the website so that the product range can be used. Just to make things easier on myself, I'm going to go into the image manager and choose an image from H13 folder. So choosing this will load up the new photography that has been sent by the client, and if I load up tab 2 down here, we should see a full range of new dresses. It's just not loading as quick as I would like. I'll just try page 3. Okay, page 3 seems to want to go. There's a nice spring looking dress, H14. You can add in additional images if you wish. Then you want to tell it that it lives in the Spring 2017 category. There's no filters or downloads or anything like that yet. You can add them in if you wish. Attributes, you can add them in. Options, you can add it in. The discount price or special price can be added in. The data, there's a few things that need to be filled out in here. So that was H14, but this should have some other model name, maybe SP or 470112. Who knows what that is? It'd be handy to copy that into the stock keeping unit as well, or if there's a different stock keeping unit, you can go ahead and add that there. Down here where the price is, you can add in that this is 199. Declare if it's a taxable good or not. If you want to let the people know there's 10 of them in stock, you can do all that sort of pretty stuff there. If it's an enabled product or not. The weight, if it's 2 kilograms, which is usually used for postage. Now, somewhere in here, there's an option for call for price. Well, you can set the call for price option if you wish. The product name, we'll call this spring dress. I'm generally just going to copy this in here as well. In here is where you would add in as much information as possible, size, charts, fabric, color, everything as much as possible should go in there. As well, populate these boxes if you can. The meta tag title should be similar to the product name. If you want to have a short product name and elaborate a bit more on the meta tag title, you can do that there. Add in a good long description here and add in some keywords, comma separated. Once you've finished adding in all these boxes, let's go down here and double check that the product is enabled. That it has a category, spring. That the image is chosen. So you only really need to fill out the image, the data tab and the general tab for each product. Once you hit save, the system will go ahead and save that product. Then you can view the website in the front end, go to the spring category and see the new product. It's that simple.